your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chikage Windler.
It was really fortunate this morning, too. There were storms with lightning in Burnett County, but here in Austin, no lightning, which meant everything was a go. Drizzle turned to just light mist, and it's a little humid and warm, but thousands of runners and walkers were able to enjoy it just fine. Right now, no warnings, no watches, no advisories for our area. We do still have some pockets of heavy downpours, especially northeast of Austin, from Elgin up through eastern sections of Williamson County, places like Thrall, for instance, and Taylor. Cameron as well, and the trajectory continues to be that all of these storms are pushing to the northeast about 30 miles per hour, so Branchville right around 522. I'm pleased to say the fact that we were socked in with clouds all day has been just the recipe to stave off the threat of severe thunderstorms. Houston area, man, they have been hit. They have flood warnings for places in Harris County. They had a tornado warning for parts of the area earlier. We did not see any of that. All right, so the coastal low is still just offshore. Cold front has just dropped south of our area, bringing in a northerly wind that's going to eventually cool us down for tomorrow. And here is that upper level low. This is really the driver of our weather from here on out. And it's going to keep rain chances going for another 36 hours before it pushes out. Rain chances for us, wintry weather chances farther toward the west. All right, still technically in a level 1 severe weather risk. I am looking at that being less and less of an issue as time goes on. Take a look at this. In pink, winter storm warnings. In purple, winter weather advisories. Several inches of snow expected in far west Texas, while we are just going to see more rounds of rain. Here's the latest high-res computer model showing a little bit of a diminishing trend once we get past about 10 o'clock tonight, where the heaviest rain should shift westward at least for a while as that upper level low really gets itself going to our west. Look for heavier rain to develop around daybreak out toward Fredericksburg, Llano, and Mason counties, while we see a break until around mid-morning here in the Austin area. But once we get through mid-morning through tomorrow night, that's when our lion's share of rain will come. So officially, most areas only a quarter of an inch or so in Austin. The highest totals so far have been into the hill country. There have been a smattering of spots that picked up 1 to 2 inches already. How much more rain? Well, we may see some isolated minor flooding, especially in those level 2 spots. The highest potential for flooding, thankfully, not here, instead to our south and east. But got a 100% chance of rain tomorrow and a 30% chance of rain before dawn on Saturday. All of that to say another 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible. As for temperatures, 63 degrees outside right now. Our high temperatures made it into the upper 60s earlier, which was lovely as far as temps. Black Friday, 100% chance of storms, 58 degrees and holding steady. If you're heading to the UT game, it's going to be wet and chilly, but 70s on the way starting Sunday.